Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. This is actually a wig with leave out. Like, I chose to put leave out because I wanted to give you guys a little bit more versatility. When I say it's giving my natural hair goal, I absolutely love it. Like a throw in and go wig, super easy. Like, this wig install took me 3 minutes. I'm standing up, I didn't have a mirror, and I think that this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna just give you guys a little 360 because it is giving bob. So for all my ladies and gents out there looking for an easy everyday throw in and go wig, this is it. I didn't put any product in the hair. I just, you know, washed it and let it air dry, and I love the little ringlets. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's just hop straight into this easy, beginner friendly wig install.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another wig install. We're in front of my sneaker display because I want you guys to understand how easy this wig install is going to be. Hair, as always, is from Luvmehair, one of my favorite hair companies out there. If you guys are interested, do be sure to check the link in the description, just so you guys are making sure you're actually ordering from Luvmehair. You guys see what my hair is looking like, okay? This is the wig that we're gonna put on, and as you guys can see, the hair color is pretty close to my hair color. What I want to do is make this, I want to have a little leave out because I normally don't have leave outs with wigs. Some people ask for more versatility when it comes to hairstyles, and I totally understand. To get this to stay completely to my head, these little back pieces, instead of actually clipping them onto the hair, I'm going to clip them together. It did come with an adjustable strap, just so you guys are aware. I'm going to simply slip this on my head. This is going to be easy. So even without the straps, for one, length is giving gorgeous. I just want you to see what it looks like. So this is what the hairline looks like. I didn't pluck it, I did bleach it. What I'm gonna briefly do is cut the lace off as close to the hairline as I possibly can get it, and then we're gonna put it back on together. Okay, so a few things to discuss while we put on the wig. Some people ask, why do I bleach blonde knots? Sometimes you can still see like black knots, and personally, I don't want to see black knots. I don't utilize the clips. This wig is not going anywhere. We're going to take some hairs out, just some edges. Okay. I go in with an edge wax, and this is the instant edge control. You can use whatever edge wax is going to lay your hair down. Easiest hair install, and it doesn't come out. Like, I have a toddler, so I'm doing like a lot of movement during the day. It don't come out, like it doesn't. Because that's always people's concerns, and I understand if that's a concern of yours, but it doesn't go anywhere. So if you wanted to just take a little piece of the actual baby hair, you could. Now to make it even more blendable. So you're gonna blend the baby hair with your baby hair. And I'm really just using the viewfinder. So I ended up doing like a middle swoosh, just so you guys can see. I feel like the edges on the side look really nice. You can take your time to swoosh them a little more. I'm now just going to run my fingers through a bit. So this is the natural curl pattern. I haven't put anything in it. I just washed it when I bleached the knots, and it's giving like really cute ringlets. Super cute. It was as easy as that. All I did, and what I chose to do, was bleach the knots. You definitely don't have to bleach knots if you guys don't want to. Sometimes I'm just looking for a little more naturalness when it comes to super easy installs like this. I think you're gonna want it to look as natural as possible. I do think that if you have black hair, like if your natural color is like a darker brown, you don't have to bleach your knots because it will give a more natural feel. But the fact that my hair is like a sandy blonde color right now, sandy brown, I felt the need to bleach my knots so it can match my hair to the T. I just cut the lace off and swoosh some baby hairs. As always, it's Luvmehair. They do give you a bunch of goodies on the inside of the box. You get a melt belt, they give you an edges brush. They also give us a makeup bag that came with a mirror. So I absolutely love the fact that they give us more bang for our buck. This is going to be a great throw on and go wig for me. Like I said, because a lot of people are like, oh my God, but I'm afraid my wig is gonna fall off. My head isn't even that big, and my wigs don't go anywhere. If you, like I said, need a little bit more security, you can always go on with bobby pins. They offer you bobby pins as well. And then when you're swooshing your baby hairs, you can go in with something a little more firm, like Got To Be. And then the color, like, it's super gorgeous. And I can even see myself adding more highlights so I can have more blonder pieces. But it's just the perfect little length. Like, she's cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. I like to give you guys a little bit of everything. The last install, I think I glued it down. So this one, I tried to leave baby hairs out, or, you know, my hairline. I think it looks so cute. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.